Hey, it's Melissa. I'm so thrilled that you're here, and I would love to warmly invite you to join Psychic Gifts Expansion. This course is for you if you are a spiritual seeker and you are desiring to learn to trust your intuition more, to know who you truly are on a soul level and to expand your trust in your spiritual gifts. For most people, we were very psychic and tuned in when we were little. Maybe when you were young, you had an imaginary friend. Maybe you had some kind of psychic experience, maybe even connected with a loved one who had passed on, or you just had this sense, this trust in your own psychic ability and wisdom. And when we have these kind of psychic experiences when we're little, often our parents talk us out of it. They tell us we're crazy and we are making it up, or it's just your imagination. Now it's time for you to reawaken those psychic gifts that you had when you were little and that you learned to suppress. Because our intuition, our psychic ability, our sensitivity, whatever you like to call it, that is really our soul's wisdom. That is where our true power lies. So if you have been experiencing any self-doubt in your life, difficulty making a decision, feeling stuck, not knowing what you want, all of those things are symptoms of our intellectual part suppressing our intuitive part, right? Our natural sensitivity. And this all comes from programming. And look, your parents did the same thing, your grandparents did the same thing. It's not their fault, but we get to now choose something different so that we get to really feel empowered and trusting and be in alignment in our lives, right? So for most people, what happens is that your intellect, your doubts, your fears, your emotions cloud your natural intuitive sensitivity. And so that's why you're feeling stuck. Because truly within, you have a lot of natural wisdom because you are energy, you are spirit, you are one with the universe. And so your intuition is that guiding force that moves you forward. So it's so important to get in touch with it. This course is for you no matter what background you have had, no matter how much experience you've had in spirituality. Even if you're brand new or you're more experienced, you're going to learn tools that help you to awaken your intuition and trust. Okay, so it's called Psychic Gifts Expansion. This course is going to be in two parts for you. The first part of the program is going to be 5 virtual classes with me and the group. And I am going to guide you step by step through all the different aspects of awakening your psychic gifts and learning to trust them. You're going to come out of that 5 weeks with tools in your toolkit, but most importantly, able to trust your intuition, to find solutions for anything that has come up in your life. Health issues, relationship issues, financial issues. These things can be addressed so much more effectively when we're guided from our soul's wisdom within. But we have to first start to access that. The 5 calls, the first one's going to be about awakening to your energy and your foundation spiritually. Often get asked, what do people need to do for their spiritual routine? That's part of what's going to be in that first class. And then on the other 4 classes, we're going to focus each class on one of the 4 psychic gifts. You are psychic. It's not just special people that are psychic. And I really encourage you to consider, do you want to go to somebody else that you consider psychic for your answers? Or do you want to learn to access them from within? That's where the power lies, not relying on somebody else because you don't trust yourself. Let's learn to trust our own abilities, because then you can navigate your own life with confidence and make clear decisions and be in alignment with your purpose. So you have 4 psychic abilities, everybody does. But we have them in different strengths. So that's something you can dive into deeper as well. We're going to practice developing all of them. We start with clairaudience, hearing guidance. Then we move to clairvoyance, which is the vision part. Then we move to claircognizance, prophecy, inner knowings and premonitions. That's a very, very psychic gift. And then clairsentience or feeling. So the gut feelings, hunches. If you're high in this gift, you're one of those people that absorbs other people's feelings really easily and finds it hard to detach. That is going to be part of what I cover in that class too, is learning how to, and all of the classes actually, learning how to develop your intuition in a way that doesn't make you vulnerable to picking up more negativity, but really empowers you. Because sometimes people fear opening up their psychic sensitivity because they think they're going to start feeling negative things. So I'm going to help you with that. I'm going to help you with detachment and boundaries. Okay, that's what's missing for most people. A lot of psychic courses, they'll teach you to open, but they won't teach you the detachment and the boundaries that go hand in hand. You need to learn discernment. So we're going to get into all of that. But suffice to say, for now, you're going to learn how to manage your sensitivity and really thrive in it, not be overwhelmed by it. That's the first part of the course, is those 5 live classes. Then is an online course. So covering in more detail, accompanying worksheets, all of the tools that you're learning so that you can be in a community of like-minded people. You'll have those videos and handouts at your disposal whenever you need to refer to them. You're going to get access to that and have that as a resource. I think that beyond just going to those live classes, which will be an incredible experience in and of itself, I think it's really valuable to also have the resources, the course, so that you can access it whenever you need it and not forget everything. Now, the value of signing up now is that you're going to get those 5 live classes and really be able to be in community with others. You're going to share with like-minded people. I set up the classes so that there's no judgment, there's no interrupting anybody else. We all respect that I have my experience, you have your experience, and our experiences may be different, and there's no right or wrong there. That's what fosters a really safe space and community, and that's really, really important to me. Don't be afraid of that part, because I know how to set up a really supportive community. And you're going to get to interact live with me. And I'm so happy to share with you my years of experience. I started doing this work when I was 12, and I'm now in my 40s. So that's more than 30 years of experience, both on my own life and teaching for more than 20 years, that I can answer your questions, I can reassure you, I can help you get over that self-doubt that you might be experiencing right now, and really trust yourself in your spiritual journey. Know that you're not alone in this, right? Maybe other people in your life don't get it, but you're going to be a part of a group that does get it. So sign up now so that you get those live classes. Now, the value of the course is $199 for the live classes and $199 for the course. I hate that this sounds like an infomercial, but you're getting kind of 2 courses for the price of 1. So I hope that makes it really accessible to you and valuable. And please, please, please invite your friends to sign up for the course as well, because this course is for everybody. There's no background experience required. Registration is on the page. I can't wait to see you on our Zoom calls and connect with you more deeply and help you to open up and trust your own inner guidance, your own inner psychic. So you don't have to look outside of yourself anymore, but you're empowered to be the creator and leader of your own amazing life, whatever that looks like for you. This is the power of your intuition. I believe in you. I can't wait to meet you. And don't forget to enroll right away. We'll see you soon.